Keeping your tech cool when you're out and about on a summer's day can be a challenge. It often seems as if the sun is always one step ahead of you. A single moment of inattention and your phone could end up looking like this. But it doesn't have to be that way. Armed with just a few commonly available household items, you can make an effective solar shield for your tablet or smartphone. It all begins with one of these. The first job is to remove the handle and spout by cutting around the top of the bottle. I'll be using scissors for this, but it'll be easier after I make a little hole for the scissor blade to go through. I could have used a Sharpie to draw the cutting line, but electrical tape is far more forgiving and easier to reposition if you don't get it right first time. The cutting process is completed in 2 stages. A rough cut to remove the awkward bulk and a more careful and precise fine cut to bring it to the line. There's no need to be obsessive, as any unevenness can be smoothed away with a bit of sandpaper before removing the tape. The walls of the bottle do not themselves provide sufficient protection from the sun, only blocking about 5% of its rays, but this shortcoming can be easily remedied with a layer of standard aluminium kitchen foil. I shall be applying it in strips like papier-mâché, which avoids the need for any precise measurements. The foil needs to be glued directly onto the vessel's surface. You might be able to use something like Copydex, but the most effective solution is a spray glue like this Wilko heavy-duty multi-purpose adhesive. It's very messy, but also highly effective, and it won't smell of fish for the next month. When attaching the foil, start with the larger pieces on the bottom and sides, then finish off the angles and corners with the smaller strips. Foil is pretty forgiving because it's so thin and malleable, and it can be buffed to a reasonably smooth finish with a soft cloth. Finishing off the exposed edges of the foil with a few strips of electrical tape smartens up the appearance of the shield and provides enhanced anti-peeling protection. It's almost ready now, but there's one more thing. The container is quite lightweight, and I'm worried that it may be susceptible to breezes. I don't want it ending up in my neighbour's garden or who knows where if I leave it out overnight. A tile left over from when I had the utility room redecorated provides the perfect ballast. A quick squirt from my trusty hot glue gun is all that's needed to hold it in place, and there you have it. A compact and effective solar shield that could keep your tech cool all summer long. It might not win any industrial design awards, but it does its job very well, and it doesn't break the bank. I think I might even take it to France with me when I go on holiday this year. Ooh la la!